Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Job series. In this video, we're going to work on a real Mercedes-Benz coding job, disabling the Blind Spot Assist function. This is a real customer request, and the coding is performed directly on the vehicle using professional diagnostic software. Blind Spot Assist is a driver assistance system that uses radar sensors to monitor vehicles in the blind spot area and warn the driver when changing lanes. However, in some real cases, this function can no longer operate correctly and needs to be disabled by coding. There are several common reasons why customers request to disable this function. After an accident, the blind spot radar sensors may be damaged, causing constant warning messages like Blind Spot Assist Inoperative on the cluster. Replacing radar sensors or control modules can be very expensive, and some customers prefer coding instead of hardware replacement. In some cases, mirrors or rear bumpers are replaced with versions that don't support blind spot sensors, which leads to system errors. In these situations, disabling the function is the cleanest solution to remove warnings and restore normal vehicle operation. In this job, we will disable the Blind Spot Assist function by variant coding instead of replacing hardware. Before starting, let's prepare the required Mercedes-Benz diagnostic tools. For this job, we're using Mercedes Entry combined with DTS Monaco software, and the diagnostic interface is SD Connect C4. The vehicle we're working on is a Mercedes-Benz C-Class, model 205.348. Now, let's go step by step and perform the coding process. First, we connect to the vehicle using Zentry and perform vehicle identification and a quick test. Here, we can clearly see the Blind Spot Assist related fault stored in the system. After confirming the vehicle's status in Zentry, we close Zentry and open DTS Monaco to perform the variant coding. Now, let's go step by step. After the reset, the Blind Spot Assist warning is completely removed. The vehicle now operates normally without any blind spot-related error messages. If you're dealing with similar Mercedes coding jobs, feel free to contact us via the information in the bio for remote support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more real Mercedes-Benz coding jobs.